guys doing tonight? Good? Alright. We're in Team 7 and we have a song for you guys. It's called You Don't Know You're Beautiful, so call me maybe. It's a song about a famous Mexican love triangle. This love triangle involves 3 main characters. The first one is a beautiful young lady, Jessie. As well as 2 love-stricken young men who are pursuing her. Armando and Julio, who you'll see in a short bit. But before we begin, I want to introduce the band to you. First we have Jeffrey on the drums. Alright. We have John on the electric guitar. Kent on the acoustic guitar. Alex on the piano. And I just learned to play the bass on Wednesday, so please bear with me. Alright, are you guys ready? Yeah! Alright, let's go!
Okay, well, everyone, I can't sing. I'm not very good at singing, and I just heard this song 2 days ago. But I know this is very popular in America and United States, so I'm asking you a favor. Can all the TAs who can sing this song sing with me as loud as you can? You can even cover my voice as you can. Okay.
I'm gonna sound nice.
Jeffrey?